Hi, this is lesson 10. In this video, I will explain the pronunciation of initials g, k, and h. For the first one, g, very similar to girl, g. When you want to pronounce g, you bring the end of your tongue a little up toward your mouth. Then let the air flow through your mouth. Say g. Next one, k. The position for your tongue is very similar to the first one. And you speak out. K sounds similar to the English word cook. K. Next one, h has a similar rule like the first two alphabets. Let's say, h sounds similar to hot. H. As I mentioned, these three initials have similar rule for pronunciation. It also has similar rule to combine with the finals. All three of them can combine with a, u, but not allowed to combine with o, e, and u. Means these three initials cannot pronounce anything if you want to combine with o, e, and u, according to the rule for Pinyin. So now let's try the combinations. First, g, a, ga, 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 ga. Combination of g and g, 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 g. Combination of g and u, g, u, gu, 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 gu. Combination of k and a, ka, 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 ka. Combination of k and k, 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 k. Combination of k and u, k, u, ku, 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 ku. So I will leave the combination of h and a, u for you to practice at home and see if you can make it. Okay, here I will present several important noun or verb for you to learn. The first one is g, g, g. Is brother older than you. So we have older brother or younger brother. Here is for older one. G. Next one is for auntie. So for Chinese language, the sister of your father and mother have a different name. It's a little bit different with English. Here I'm introducing sister of father. It's g, u, gu, gu, gu. You see the second one is a light tongue. So when you say mama, baba, ge, and here gu, gu, you will know that for Chinese when we're talking, we usually double the character, and the last one is going to be light. If you still remember, we learned 女 in last video, means female or woman. So if you put in front of mom, grandmom, auntie, sister, usually you see a female sign on the left-hand side. This means this character is related to female. Here I would like to teach you how to write this character. It's relatively simple because we already learned this part. So according to the handwriting rule, we start from the top to the bottom. from the left to the right. Alright, let's start. The first stroke, second one, the third one. This is something we have learned. The difference is that because it is at the side, it becomes a little narrow. It's not like something we really write as a single character for nu. So let's write the right hand side. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. I think it's a relatively simple character to write. Hopefully you can learn it after this video. The next one is cry. Means you're tearing, you're crying, you're sad. So crying. K, U, ku, cry. It's a verb. And the next one is drink. H, drink. Drink coffee, water, whatever you want to drink. This writing is a bit hard. Doesn't really matter, you can learn it later. Actually, it's a combination of different characters. And the next one is tiger. H, U, hu. Third tongue. Hu is tiger. Okay, this is all the content for this video. Thank you for watching. And please support me by subscribing my channel, share with your friend, and leave some comment down below. Thank you.